All right, YouTube, I'm back. Listen, I got nothing but time today. I got time today. I got the energy I've been praying and asking God to give me. I got the energy. I got the time. So, we getting on down through there, man. I don't have as many as I did. I mean, I still got a grip to do, but I've been knocking them back. All them burgundy ones been ran. All them been ran. Yeah, this whole line of vacuums just got ran. And they all sound pretty decent too. So, with that being said, man, I wanted to do a video of these two green Hoovers. To my left, we got the Hoover Legacy. And then we got the Hoover Soften Light to my right. I'm gonna make this one quick and sweet. Unfortunately, the Soften Light headlight needs to be replaced. I don't have any headlights on me right now. If I get out and about sometime today or tomorrow, I'll try to pick up some of that and some stainless steel and whatever else I might need for these machines. However, we're going to go ahead and run them both. So we're going to run the Soften Light first. And then we're going to run the Legacy. The green Legacy. Let's do it. It still got the price tag thing on it when I bought it. I got that one in 2017. It was $10.47. And I'm going to end up wiping that off with some rubbing alcohol with an old cloth. Hoover was so creative. Like, you see how they put the power switch here, but then on this one they put the power switch on the side. If you can see it. See it right there? I thought that was dope. Anyway, I know what to do. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm your boy, yours truly, Mr. Kevin Love himself. I'll see you back in a minute. Peace.